Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy Big Buff, Buffalo Pickers? Yeah, defending the hustle on Friday nights. Yeah, him and Glass City and Mess Hall Diggs. Have you ever heard of my boy from South Carolina? Yeah, Casey. Yeah, the Carolina picker now. He ain't the Carolina hustler no more. He the Carolina picker. Have you ever heard of Fundamentals of the Side Hustle with Big D and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of the Jarhead Entrepreneur? Yeah, Big Jar, fellow Marine. Have you ever heard of Ella? Have you ever heard of Shore? Have you ever heard of my boy Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're damn selling. Have you ever heard of my boy Louis and Luis? Yeah, they got shows too. Luis is the Luis, whoever's one, is the Slab King, the other one, the T-shirt King. Yeah, but this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all. Yeah, this Kevin. I just want to continue showing you all of what I've been doing in my eBay room. Today, I bought some shelving off Facebook Marketplace. I've been looking at it for 2 weeks. And the secret is, if you look at something for 2 weeks and it's not selling, just throw out a price. I'm just telling you. This shelving right here, if I'd have bought it brand new, it would have been $300. Easy. Just the shelves. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do to my room. But first of all, I'm going to show you these shelves I just got. For $30, I got 6, 6, and 5, 17 of them. And I'm gonna use every one of them. Just take up my whole this whole thing. Do my wall that I'm doing. I'm finna turn y'all around. See these boxes? I was trying to figure out what I was gonna do for my shelving. At first, I was gonna build some shelves, y'all, out of 2x4s. But then I decided to look on Facebook Marketplace to see what I can find. And I found these, y'all. See this? So the only thing I don't have is the brackets. See these brackets? This go in these brackets that go on the wall. You guys probably seen these before. They slotted brackets. So I paid $30 for 17 of these. They 44 inches by 18. That's more than enough that I need. Plus they got lips on them. See these lips right here? So stuff won't fall off. I mean, I just can't believe I got these. So I just picked these up, y'all. And I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna put them at. My son finna come down and carry him upstairs. I just can't believe, but I can believe it because that's the same way when I used to sell cars. I used to watch cars, and if a car owned there for 2 or 3 weeks, like I bought this one car for $900, right? The guy wanted $2,200 for it. I mean, $1,800 for it. So I kept watching it and watching it and watching it. 2 weeks went by, the price went down to $1,100. Then, so I called the dude. He said the $1,100 was a firm price. So I said, okay, that's okay then. Me and my wife went to Chicago on vacation. He called me while I was on vacation. He said $900. So I texted him back. I said mine. So when I went and drove it, the front tire was making noise, right? So when I test drove it, I'm sorry. He called me from Chicago and said $1,100. So I said mine. So when I test drove it, the front tire was making noise. So I said, man, I can't buy this car. I knew it had a snow tire on the front, so I knew that was the problem. Anyway, so I said, I can't buy this car. The front wheel making noise, man. Anyway, so he said, well, how much you give it for? I said, all I got is $900. So I gave him $900 for the car. I took that front wheel off, the tire off, put another tire on there, and it was fixed. That's how you do it, y'all. That's how I got these shelves. You got to be patient, and you got to know what you. I'm sorry, that's my hand in the way. You just got to know what you're doing. This is my driveway, y'all. See my flags, Marine Corps flag and American flag up in the driveway. Yeah. But anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do with these shelves in a minute. Right now, my son getting ready to carry them upstairs. Y'all, how y'all doing? I'm finna walk into Menards right now, and I'm just making a video to show y'all what I need to finish my shelving on my wall. So I'm finna show y'all a couple of items and how much money I saved just by buying those shelves. So y'all just follow me in here. You know what I'm saying? Let me put my mask on right quick. Let me turn y'all up. Yeah, we finna walk in here. I always go through this door even though it say out. I can't read, y'all. So I go with the door I want to go into. That's just me. Walk in here. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I don't see the pieces I need. I need, just see these right here? That's what I need right here. I need 5 of these. I'm not buying those. I'm buying the cheap ones. And I don't see them. I need the ones like these. See these right here? The plain ones, I need the ones like those. Here goes some right here. These are $11 a piece. What the hell? And these are $5.49 a piece. I think that's the wrong price for these. I think that's the wrong price. $75 inches. Let's walk over. Oh, here they are right here. Here go the ones I need. The cheap. These the cheap brands. $7.99. $60 inches is $14.99. They still too expensive for me. See if they got some cheaper. But y'all know how cheap I am. Get old 15. Mother suckers. Yeah, I don't see them, y'all. Anyway, those brackets that I need. So I thought Menards would have them, but evidently they don't. I thought Menards would have them, so I might have to go somewhere else. Anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I needed. And I'm sorry, man. Let me see how much I saved on these brackets. Turn y'all around. See these brackets right here? I don't see no price on them. $7.99 a piece. Now remember, I got 16 shelves, 17 shelves. Each one of them got 2 brackets. So I need 32 of them. So, 34 of them. Yeah, you think I got over? I got over. 34 times 7 something. Come on, y'all. Y'all can do better, let me know. Anyway, I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Okay, y'all, I found the cheap section. Hold on a minute. Around. Here it is right here. I've been looking all over for this. Now, I think I'm going to get the 60 inch. These right here, I need 2 of these. They on clearance for $4.99. These are 72 inches. So I need 2 of these. These for the end shelves. See that price? $4.99. So I need 2 of these. Trying to find the cheapest. These right here are the cheapest. That's 70 inches. That's all I need. So I need 5 of these, 5 of these, and 2 of these. So, and 2 of these. So I said I might just get these $4 ones. That's even cheaper. Yeah, I might get this. Let's go ahead and get the $4 ones. But that's all I need, y'all. So then I need some self-tapping screws to screw them in. But other than that, I think I'm gonna have this up before the end of the week. And I'm gonna bring y'all back. We'll bring y'all back to the sorry, get rid of this. We'll bring y'all back to the house, and I'm gonna show y'all the shelving. But right now, I just want to show y'all what I was looking for inside this Menards. See y'all later. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm going to eBay storage room. Let me turn y'all around. It's kind of dark in here now, but you see I got some of this stuff up here. So with the shelving, show y'all what I'm gonna do with it. Let me get one out that's already. The shelving right here. The shelving right here. I'm gonna take it. Each one of these is 48 inches. So from this seam, from this wall to this seam right here, 48 inches. So I got 12 and 5, 17 of these. If I put 4 right here, 4 right there, 4 right there, that's 12. 3 times 4 is 12, right? Then I put, so that I can make, each one of these I can put 4 shelves on. So I paid $30 for these, y'all. This piece right here, just this piece right here to go on the slot of the track that I'm putting on. That piece right there alone, if I was to buy 12 of these from the store without these on them, I would have had to get, I mean, I got 17. 2 times 17 is 34. So that'd have been like $100 by itself. So me getting these shelves, and I don't have to do nothing but hook them up when I get the tracks. Hook them up. They got a lip on them already, in the front and back. Only thing I don't like about them is they 18 inches wide. I wanted something like 20 inches wide. But other than that, you can't ask for that. So I'm gonna put 4. I wish I had somebody to hold this camera for me. I'm gonna put 4 on each one. The panels right here, y'all, are stand just like that. I'm not gonna put no interior wall or nothing on it. It stands just like that. So I'm gonna seal those seams up. I'm gonna put some 1x3 strips right there, wood strips right there where the seam is. But I'm gonna seal the stream up. I'm gonna seal the seams up with the seam tape. See the seam tape? So I'm seal them seams up with the seam tape. And I'm gonna put look at a spider, look at your buddy. I'm gonna put a piece of 2x6 right here so I can nail stuff to this or screw stuff to it. That's where I'm gonna put these tracks for the shelves at. So when I get finished, 1, 2, 3, 4 panels is going to have shelving on it. So 1 panel, 2 panel, 3 panel, 4 panel. That's 16 shelves if you put 4 on each one. So that'd be 16 shelves. So I have 1 shelf left. But these other 2 panels down here on the end, I don't know what I'm gonna do right there. I'll probably get some shelving to put there, but it ain't gonna be this shelving. So I might just start the shelving at this one, leave this open so I could put like DVDs. I want to have all my stuff separate. I want to have all my media right here. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. Put all my media here, all my stuff, from stereo equipment to records to tapes to DVDs, stuff right here where it's easy accessible, because that's the most stuff I sell. It's games, DVDs, records. Those are the most items I sell, but I do sell, I'm just saying, the more I sell. So I just want y'all to see the progress. It's getting there. I got some carpet to put down on the floor. Just some indoor outdoor carpet that I bought, really cheap. I'm not doing nothing else with it, so I'm gonna lay it here on the floor. You guys can see, this ain't even half the stuff I got. All these containers, most of the stuff is gonna be taken out of these containers and put on the shelves, because I don't think I'm gonna have I don't think I'm gonna have a boxing system or a crate system. I think I'm just gonna put stuff on the shelves, and I can see the items, and I can just go pick whatever I want to pick. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So, I just want y'all to see the progress. This is nothing, y'all. I know it looked like a lot to y'all, but this is nothing compared to what I got. So, hopefully the next time I make a video, I have the shelves up and I have some items on the shelf. But I'm really excited about this, y'all. To give me a whole lot more space and to loosen up a lot of space. I can get my gym in the garage together, because I had a gym in there before I started putting storage in there. So I can start working out again, everything. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from Pickin in the Hood 2. Yeah, I'm a reseller. I'm everything. I'm a handyman. I do everything. Yeah, but my thing is, y'all, support your fellow resellers out there. Get behind support so they can support you, and just keep on pushing, y'all. Keep on pushing. Keep the dream alive. Like Big Buff say, defend the hustle. You know what I'm saying? Go out there and defend the hustle. This hustle is worth defending. Hey, watch all those people I told you about at the beginning. All of them got good content, and you can learn from them. Hey, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace.